Oh my gosh. Caitlin. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video I am so excited because we are doing another Christmas in November collaboration with Caitlin. I'm just so stoked. So we have done Christmas in November once before, which was last year, and it was so much fun. So in today's video, we got back together, decided to bring back another installment of Christmas in November, and this is the goodie box that she has sent me. So I am so excited. Let's dive in and see all the Christmas goodies. Even open this box, let's talk a little bit about Caitlin. She is my OG, and when I say that, I mean Caitlin was the first person that I ever collaborated with here on YouTube. I will link our very first collab video because every time I watch it, I'm just like, you know, like she was my first. So that is just so awesome. Caitlin has her own channel and her Instagram. Her YouTube channel is focused on makeup and a lot of clothing hauls as well. She does really great chit chat get ready with me's. Like if you ever just want to get to know a person and just have someone to listen to, go to Caitlin's channel. Like she does so well. I could never sit there and just like talk while doing my makeup. Like I'm always so quiet. So I love just watching her and listening to her and just getting updates on her. She's just so personable on camera and it is so nice. She does really nice type of reviews. So between first impressions and also coming back and giving you like more thoughts on products. She has really great palette uses. So she uses palettes very consistently on her channel that she has in her collection, which is really nice to see someone just using their makeup collection. She also does some clothing hauls and some makeup hauls as well. So we're doing this as a two-part. So in this video, you're going to watch us unbox our goodies. And of course, I have sent Caitlin her box already, and I will leave a link to her unboxing down in the description box as well. So please make sure you go check out her channel and her unboxing. So today we are going to unbox, and in a future video, so just a few more days later, we will come back and do a full face try on with all the good stuff that she got me. So let's open up the box because I am just so excited. And honestly, oh my gosh, Caitlin, I can't. Oh my gosh. So we did have a limit for each other. So that was a must because we can both go pretty ham if we don't set limits for ourselves. But I'm just like looking in this box and I'm just like, oh my gosh, I can't. This is, okay, let's go. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out, this is the ABH, so Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh my gosh, and this is the loose highlighter set. This was so close to being in your box as well, and I'm super excited because I actually don't have a loose highlighter, and I was gonna get one for myself, but I was like, no, get one for Caitlin. So yay! Thank you so much, hon. So in this box, or in this little pack, I get all of the highlighters. So that is so fun. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use these. So the first highlighter in the set, this one is called Snowflake. And when you open it up, it does come with like a protective type of sticker on here. Oh my gosh, the packaging on these are so stunning. So you get Snowflake, and then the next color is So Hollywood, which is like more of a golden tone. And then you get Sunset Aura. Sunset Aura is the last one, and this is more of a pinky tone. You guys, okay, Christmas is going to be beaming because I'm so excited to use these highlighters. Oh, I'm so excited. Caitlin, thank you so much. Like already, I'm just like, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. So the next thing that I'm pulling out of the box, this is the Big Volume Lash Trio by LANCOME, and this is what it looks like. Super pretty. And I have never, the only thing LANCOME I have is a face cleansing foam, so like a daily cleanser. So this is interesting because this didn't even pop up on like, you know, recommendations for me. So I've never tried this. and this is what it looks like when you pull it out of the little package. So let's see, I'm not sure what this all is. Let's see. Okay, so I figured out what this was. It took me a hot second. Okay, so we get a big mascara here, and then I think this also says mascara here, so I think this is like a refill for this. Like that's super cool. Or this might be like, no, it's the same mascara. Yeah, maybe it's a refill. I don't know. But I don't want to open this one because if it is a refill, I don't want to open it. But I'm actually needing to try out a new mascara because I'm almost done with my Tarte Big Ego. So I'm feeling the bristles on this one. That's super, super cool. And it's pink, which is such a fun color. So in the other bottle that came in the kit, this is a double action eye makeup remover. So that's cool. So I am always on the hunt for a good makeup remover. So that's cool. So it's like a cute little 3-piece mascara and makeup remover set. So that is fun. Thank you so much, Caitlin. I'm just going to be thanking you left and right because I'm so excited. So thank you for the mascara set. And I was gonna get you this too. Like, we are so in sync. It is crazy. Okay, so this is the Pat McGrath Labs, and this is a Skin Show Trio lipstick set. Like, look at the cuteness in here. I was really gonna get you this, but I was like, I don't know. I doubted myself, but I got you something else that I hope you like lip-wise. But oh my gosh, I don't want to open it because it's so pretty. Okay, let's just open it and just, but this would be a really cute stocking stuffer, honestly. Like, this is cute. So it comes with sequins in the bag. So I'm gonna be a little careful not to get that everywhere in my office. But here, oh, yep, there goes sequins. Sequins everywhere, but it's okay. So here are the 3 little lipsticks, and they are mini sizes. I do love the packaging, so cute. It has like a gold lip detail on there. And let's see, oh my gosh, these look like soft mattes, like that plush type of matte. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, so this is a nude color. So more of like a nude brown. And then we have more of a pinkish nude. Oh my gosh, these are so adorable. So adorable. And then we have more of a deeper berry nude. Like, so, so cute. I love how small they are. They are just so perfect for like a purse. Yeah, so cute. So I am excited. Thank you, Caitlin, for the little mini trio. And again, this was going to be in your box, but I second guessed myself. But that's so funny that it is in mine. So yeah, I definitely wanted to try these as well. All right, so the next thing that I'm pulling out of the box, this is by Tarte. And, oh, okay. So this is their high performance natural, these are blush sets. Okay, so these are their cheek palettes, and you get 3 of them in the set. So that is pretty cool. Okay, so just taking the top one, which is called Frosty Sleigh Bells, and it's a shimmering 9 ways to shine. So let's see. Oh, okay, so you open it up. So it comes like little compacts. You open it up and you have a color at the top with a little mirror, which is cute. And then, is there more? Oh, okay, and then you slide out the bottom, and then you have like a blush. So pretty. And then you slide the bottom again, and you have another blush tone. So that's really cool. It's like, so you get 3 different colors. So I'm assuming the top is a highlight. So you get 3 different colors in 3 different compacts. Wow. Okay, so the pink, the rose gold one, this is more of like a rose gold highlighter. And then you have more of a peachy toned blush. And then the next layer is more bronzy tone. So more of like a bronzy tone blush. So that's really, really cool. I really like the packaging. The packaging like seems on point to me. And then the last one is the dark silver, which I love. Look at this. Okay, so we have the top shade here. And then we have, ooh, look at that blush. A very nice pink blush. And then more of a deeper pink. Okay, so more of like a rosy pink. So I'm definitely going to be giving these a swatch in our second video when we try on our makeup that we got each other, so I can find which one really suits my skin tone. But yeah, that is really fun. So thank you so much for that compact. I love that you got 9 different shades of blushes and highlights. Like, that is really cool. That's a nice set. All right, and the next set in here, so this is by SMASHBOX, and this is the Photo Finish Star Powder Primer Set. Ooh, okay. Okay, oh, so this is what it looks like. So in the set, we got the SMASHBOX Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer, which is a staple in my collection because I love that primer so much. And then the second thing we got, this is the Photo Finish Primer and Moisturizer in one. I have never tried this, and it comes in like a really cute blue bottle. Huh, I have never tried this. If anyone has tried this, let me know down below, but I have yet to sample that. And then we have the Photo Finish Primer Water Set and Refresh Spray. I haven't tried this either, but we're gonna try this one now. That smells good. That smells really, really good. I love it. Oh yeah, the scent of that, oh, that's refreshing. I like that. It's like a fruity type of scent. And the next thing, there is confetti. And the next thing that she got me is the Sephora Frosted Party Freeze and Peeling Mask Duo. Oh, cool. So in our last November box, Caitlin did get me some masks and I loved them. So thank you for adding more masks in this as well. And the Sephora brand masks are super, super fun to use. They're inexpensive and they are great quality. I really, my skin does well with the Sephora masks. So that's cool. So we have a freezing mask and then we have a peeling mask, which looks to be more lemon. So that's fun. Yay. Okay, so I can't wait. I'm definitely going to do that in a skincare video. That's fun. And let's see here. The next thing, oh, Caitlin. So the next thing she got me is a palette, and this is the VISEART or VISEART, whichever way you want to say it. This is the Professional Makeup and the Dark Edit palette. Ooh, okay, so I have not tried this palette out yet. I do have a few of their palettes and their quality is really, really nice. And the fact that I have that palette for almost 6 years now and the pigmentation is still there, which is really surprising, but great. Oh, that's so cute. I love the packaging. Okay, so this is how it looks. So it says VISEART or VISEART here, and then on the back you have like a little tag to pull on. So when you open it, oh, wow, these are like tiny, but this would be a really great travel palette. Like, it has a mirror and then here are your shades. So that purple and teal green are definitely calling my name, but this is such a cute palette. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny, but this would be great for traveling. Like, you just toss this in your purse and you have eyeshadow on the go. Like, that's fantastic, fantastic. And then on the back of the packaging, it does give me the shades that are in the palette as well. Oh, that's so cute. And the last thing that is in the box here, this is the Fenty Beauty by RIHANNA. Yes! Yes, I was so hoping she would like get all my vibes because I've been dying to try this. So this is the Fenty Beauty by RIHANNA Glossy Mini Gloss Bomb collection, and Caitlin is actually the person that got me hooked on the Fenty lip glosses. Fussy is like my ride or die lip gloss. I absolutely love it. So I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, yes, I have been so open. Why am I struggling to open? Okay. Oh my gosh, this is just Look at that packaging. Oh my gosh, the colors in here. Yes. Okay, so the first one we have is Pretty Please, which is a nice pink toned gloss. And then the next one is Fussy, which is, again, my ride or die. So now I have a mini size, and I'm going to toss this in my purse, and I can take the full size back out. And then the next one is called Confetti. Like, that is so pretty. This would be just a great white, like, just clear gloss, but I think you have, like, reflex of pink in it. Oh my gosh. Like, you guys, I keep saying like a lot. I need to stop. Okay. The next one is Hot Chocolate. Yep, Hot Chocolate. That's gonna be a nice, like, brown gloss. That's gonna be cute. Ooh, and then this last one. The last one is called Cheeky. Like, look at that. Oh, Caitlin, thank you so, so much. I have been just staring at this collection. It's like, as soon as it came on Sephora, I've been staring at it. It's been in my cart for months. So I am super excited, and the packaging is so stunning. I'm definitely going to put the packaging somewhere on my vanity because I need to stare at this. So that completes everything that Kayla got me for our Christmas in November swap. And again, thank you so, so much, Caitlin. This was so fun, so amazing. I'm just so blown away at the products that you got me, because I was gonna get them for myself eventually, but you just knew exactly what I would want to try. And the fact that I haven't tried any of this stuff, I'm like even more excited. So please don't forget to check out Caitlin's channel, and I'll also leave her link to her unboxing because I cannot wait to see her reaction to the stuff that I got her, and I will see you guys in her comments. And that is all I have for this video, so thank you so much for staying tuned. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for spending a moment with me. And if you're returning, I do appreciate all your love and support. Please don't forget to leave a big thumbs up if you liked this video, and subscribe to my channel down below, and you'll be notified when I post new stuff. I am excited. I am so excited. I cannot wait to dive in. Like, I feel like we're gonna do skincare and makeup all in the same video for our next try on collab. So stay tuned for that. That'll be coming up soon this following week. And that is all I have for this video. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.